Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So you can see here that the one wheel shampoo is attacking baked on dirt, grime, and brake dust stuck on the rubber. In fact, if you zoom in here, you can even see it breaking down the top surface of the brake dust. Now, obviously, I think that pressure washing does a lot more than a chemical wheel without mechanically touching the wheel. I think anyone would agree on that. However, you can see it actively breaking down the dust, which ultimately you want to aid safe washing of the wheel. The more it can break down and make the dirt soft, the better.